3, 2, 1.
So, when you consider where we are in regard to the accelerating devastation of climate change, one of the first questions is, what can we do now? Where does our responsibility lie as parents, citizens, human beings? How about our responsibility as teachers, educators? And specifically, and I ask this as a scholar of children's literature, what can we do in our field? How can we leverage the power of children's literature to become this positive force in the fight for the planet's future? So here's one idea. In order to transition to an ecological civilization, we need to become a climate literate society. The absolute ground zero for building climate literacy and climate justice is our classrooms. And the most powerful resource we can tap into for this purpose is books, films, games, and other narrative media for young audiences. Climate change is a technical challenge, but it is also, if not primarily, a challenge for our imaginations and story systems. Here is where Climate Lit comes in. Imagine we could teach climate literacy with children's literature and media across all subject areas and at all grade levels, from kindergarten all the way up to high school. Imagine we gave young people story-rich, emotionally moving examples to help them understand what's going on, how they can be agents of change. Imagine we empowered them by giving them terms and vocabulary with which they can articulate the goals of climate justice. And imagine we gave our teachers a resource where they can look for specific recommendations for books, films, games, and other narrative media that are useful for teaching climate literacy. This is the vision for Climate Lit, an open access database of children's literature and media for teaching climate literacy. My name is Marek Ozievich. I'm the founder of Climate Lit, and I'm the Margaret Henry Professor of Children's and Young Adult Literature at the University of Minnesota. With the co-founder of Climate Lit, Lara Sagisag, we want to invite you to get involved in this project. Climate Lit is a radical effort to engage the power of stories and of children's literature in our fight for climate justice and for the future of this planet. Please consider Climate Lit. We could really use your expertise in children's literature. Please visit climatelit.org to learn more, and feel free to contact me or Lara if you have any questions whatsoever. To change everything, we really need everyone.